All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar. Hope you're doing well, everybody. I am, and I'm playing on Chesney's song called Just to Say We Did. So this is a pretty straightforward country song. If you love that kind of style, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. We love that as well. And we mix it up with some newer songs, your wish songs as well. So yeah, a nice mix here on guitar. Feel free to support me here. Let's move on with Just to Say We Did. And we're gonna do this song together with a capo set on the 3rd fret. That is the easiest scenario in my opinion. And we have the 4 famous chords G, D, E minor, and C to handle with that capo on there. So let's put that on and let's go over the chords. Starting with G. All right, so that will be 3rd fret on E string, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have D next, and that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have E minor, and that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And we have finally the C. And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so let's go into the first part, the verse, and we're gonna learn the strumming here. So yeah, we have 2 parts in the strumming. Let's start with the first one, and it goes down, down, up, clap. That's the first part. And I play that with the G chord, forgot to mention that, but you can see it. So down, down, up, clap. That's the first part. And the second part goes down, up, down, clap, down. So down, up, down, clap, down. So if you put that together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Okay, so a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm that goes on here in the song will be. So there you have it. And now the verse play will be to play one strumming round in the order G, D, E minor, and C. So 1 per chord, G, D, E minor, C, and you're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds. Let's do that together. That is the first verse. Over now to pre-chorus, and what we do here is to play 2 different chords. It's the E minor and it's the D. And we can do that in 2 different ways. The first way is to play E minor, 2 downs, and then D, 1 down with a big pause, okay? And when you do the E minor in this part of the song, the pre-chorus, I would like to add the 3rd fret on the E string as well. This note, okay? 3rd fret on the high E. You play 2 downs on that one, and then you go to D and play 1 down with a big pause. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds, so it will be like this. And there comes the chorus, all right? So you understand, big pauses after the D, all right? You can do that as one alternative. The second one is to play with some more action to it. So what you're gonna do now, instead of playing just 2 downs on E minor, you're gonna play the part 1 of the strumming. So down, down, up, clap. Okay, so that's it for E minor. And then you go to D, And instead of having just one down and a big pause, you're gonna play a lot more than that. You're gonna play the down, down, up, clap, down, up. So imagine you play part 1 plus you add the down, up afterwards. That will be one strumming round. You play that for 3 rounds to start with. So down, down, up, clap, down, up. Then you go back to play the E minor, the second round. So part 1 again, down, down, up, clap. And then you go to D. And the second time now you play D, you play that same strumming you played first time, the down, down, up, clap, down, up. But now you play it for 4 rounds instead. Down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that is the end of the pre-chorus. So in any way you play it, you're going to play for 2 rounds, E minor, D, E minor, D. The first version was to play just 2 downs on E minor with the added note. And then 1 down on D, big pause. And again, big pauses in between there. And then comes the chorus. Or you can play E minor, the part 1 of strumming, down, down, up, clap, and then D, down, down, up, clap, down, up for 3 times the first round. And then the second round you play D, you play for 4 rounds. So down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down. 4 rounds in the second round. All right, so that is the pre-chorus. Over now to chorus. And no news here, you're gonna play the verse play. That means G, 1 string around, D, 1, E minor 1, and C 1. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds in this first course. That is the first round, and from now on there are no news. We have the second round of everything, the second verse. It's only played for 1 chord progression round, okay? So G, D, E minor, C, 1 string chord progression round of that. And that will be it for the second verse. The second pre-chorus played in the same way, 2 rounds of E minor and D. And the same goes with the second chorus, 2 rounds of the verse play, G, D, E minor, and C, in the same way as the first chorus. After that comes the bridge parts. We're now about 1 minute and 38 seconds into the song. Okay, you're gonna continue to play the verse play, the G, D, E minor, C for 1 strumming chord progression round. And after that, we have the final parts of the song. We're going to jump right into the third pre-chorus. And that is played again in the same way as the previous pre-choruses, 2 rounds of E minor and D. And then the final chorus. Instead of playing 2 rounds of the verse or chorus play, it's the same basically. You're going to now play the 3 rounds of that chord progression. So 3 rounds instead of 2. And that is the happy ending of Kenny Chesney's Just to Say We Did. So yeah, fun song to play. The G, D, E minor, C, very common chords. Very good to learn them. And you have this strumming pattern. It's not as simple as it can be, but it's pretty basic still. Especially if you see them as separate strumming patterns, part 1 and part 2, then yeah, it's no big challenge there. Just give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. All right guys, thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon. Play tuned.